How can you influence search engines of Google? It is an add-on. I think what the most important thing is your study website. Not only perhaps not for visiting, although you have to be mobile ready, of course. So first focus on the website. Make sure that you have a lot of content related to the destinations you offer in Palembang.
Your opinion as a tourist from abroad, that you already go around Palembang or a tourist destination. Which destination that you think is ready?
The first question is where should we start?
Prima, but it is Prima. Ask these questions when I join a seminar or something like that. But what we do first, promotion or develop the destination? This is the dilemma, I think. In Palembang we have more than 70 tourist destinations.
It's almost like a catch-22. If you don't start with promotion, you won't get any income, and perhaps you will miss out on visitors, and you don't know what to improve. So I think you have to start with promotions and try at the same time to identify, and you have done it already. You have those 70 potential destinations or places to visit, and there's this top 13 you try to promote more in detail. So I would definitely focus on the destinations which you think are the oldest, and then again I'm going back to the target group. You have to come up with this kind of persona. You have to really think hard. Okay, what can I offer this Malaysian family, or this couple from Malaysia, or this businessman from Malaysia, or the Singapore person? What can I offer them? What are their interests? So if they are looking for the cultural heritage, then
perkembangan pariwisata di Palembang ini kan?
Can you just explain the progress of the tourism in Palembang?
The progress
in your digital marketing side.
Yeah. Progress means that you are coming from one point and you have to go to another point, of course. I think from a social media perspective, we are still at the beginning. So there is a lot to do and to win, I think. If you follow some kind of structure and some kind of strategy, and you focus on specific target groups, I think they really can boost social media attention.
Just stop. Artinya kita harus fokus ke sosial media dulu, karena nih baru beginning katanya kan. Nah ini kontennya ya harus diperbaiki. Ini ya untuk supaya promosinya bisa memang targetnya itu tercapai. Okay, yes.
So the next steps would be think about what kind of strategy, align with all the events which are happening already in Palembang. So the first alignment would be with the event calendar, I think. Then make sure that you have the content aligned with the events, and that will start boosting your visibility within social media.
Nah itu tadi, kalender event kan sudah ada Palembang itu, make sure aja, artinya memang larinya ke sosial media, itu kan di promosinya itu. Nah kadang-kadang kita kan ya coba kayak triathlon ini kan, kita kan kaget kadang-kadang, ini baru kan, baru 1 bulan sebelum, karena mestinya udah sebelum-sebelumnya itu 2-3, maybe before the event we must to promote, right, at least 3 months before.
Yes.
Yeah, because usually in Indonesia, in here especially 1 month before event, so it's like we don't know something. Itu harus fokus di situ. Jadi strateginya kayak gitu ya.
Dengan strategi seperti ini, Pak, apakah bisa pariwisata Palembang itu bisa go internasional seperti itu? Dengan strategi marketingnya bisa sosial media begitu?
Are you sure if we do like you advise before, if we focus to the social media and it's can bring Palembang well known to abroad, especially to Europe maybe?
Not yet, I would say. I mean, it is. I think it is essential if you are going to be successful with social media that you also do the branding campaign of Palembang, because they are actually strengthening each other. So if you do only a social media campaign, individual social media campaigns, I think that is not giving enough blast. So you need the whole branding of the Palembang city, and then.
So how we brand it?
How we brand it? With a campaign like I mentioned.
Okay.
Just selfies with charming Palembang. It's easy, small, low budget, and those kind of things work.
Jadi branding ini simple deh. Branding itu ya karena kita udah fokus Palembang kan charming, charming of Palembang. Artinya bikin aja logo dimanapun. Jadi untuk orang selfie aja ada bacaan charming Palembang, charming Palembang. Nah ini yang cepat. Artinya itu kan pengaruhnya kepada orang-orang untuk mempromosikan tentang Palembang itu. Simple. Jadi bukan gitu harus gede-gedean promosi itu, tapi bikin lokasi tempat selfie yang mengatakan ada tulisan charming Palembang tadi.
Yeah, and I think the existing offering, the existing products you have in Palembang are not yet on a level where you would be able to attract Europeans, and I think you should not want that also yet. I mean, it is a growing process. People have to get used to with a different mindset, with the charming, with the charming Palembang in their mindset, and slowly you have budgets and to get improvements of the existing destinations.
We focus to the neighbor. Focus to the neighbor, maybe Singapore, Malaysia.
Yes. First focus on the Asian countries. I mean, I just had a discussion with some from the Sumatra tourist office, and she mentioned like, okay, imagine if Japanese people would come here. I mean, they have a very high level of hygiene.
Yes.
Everything has to be clean. You cannot imagine somebody from Japan here in the streets with the street food, the pavements, you don't want that yet. The community, the businesses are not ready yet for those kinds of. There's only a 5-star hotel who can actually meet up with their expectations.
Ya, jadi istilahnya kayak gini, fokus ya. Kita boleh bermimpi untuk dapat turis dari Eropa, tapi lebih baik kita fokus dulu sambil nunggu budget kita naik, gitu kan. Kita fokus ke tetangga dulu, Singapura, Malaysia, ini kan atau pecahan tamu-tamu yang dari Thailand kita ajak ke Palembang, gitu kan. Nah ini kita mulainya dari sana dulu, baru kita dari bawah dulu, baru kita step by step. Nanti lama-lama Palembang udah mulai ini kan, karena seperti kata Pak Paul tadi, contohnya orang Jepang, kalau dia butuhnya orang Jepang kalau mau hygiene coba bayangkan kita udah siap belum untuk hygiene sanitasi itu kan? Betul. Nah ini kita harus pelajari dulu. Jadi makanya di uraian tadi kita harus sebelum kita mempromosikan kota kita ini, kita harus kenal dulu pasar mana yang kita tuju. Singapura, oh dia orangnya kayak gini, ini Malaysia orangnya kayak gini. Nah ini kita mulai fokus. Inilah fungsi digital marketing kita. Promosi untuk Singapura kayak gini, promosi untuk Malaysia kayak gini, untuk Thailand kayak gini, nah untuk Jepang kayak gini. Jadi kita harus fokus. Kita kenal dulu dia, baru kita ini yang cocok untuk mereka. Oke.
Nah, untuk kira-kira Palembang bisa mempersiapkan diri seperti itu menyambut tamu-tamu yang bakal diundang itu butuh waktu berapa lama itu?
So what do you think? How long Palembang will ready for promotion? You know, well known. It's like. Because you said for the digital marketing we still starting, and then what do you think? So how long we can ready for this?
That's a very difficult question. Let me give you an example. If you, let's say, if you would like to attract Germans and Dutch, what is the mindset of Germans and Dutch at the moment? Their mindset is, okay, Indonesia, okay, what's that? That's Bali. That's Bali.
Yeah.
And perhaps for some youngsters and some backpackers, they go to Lombok, and that's it. So if you want to change that, it first needs a better well-known city. So people should learn from the branding of Palembang that, okay, oh yeah, there's Jakarta, and then you have Denpasar, and oh, there's also Palembang. And so it starts with really small things, and sometimes you also have to be present, because there is this big fair in Holland in January. In January, all Dutch are looking for their holiday in a half-year time, and you have this big fair with more than 1,000 exhibitors. So sometimes you have to be there physically to promote Palembang as well. So, but that are different budgets. So, and those budgets are not there yet. So we are talking then in not this year, but in the upcoming years. So perhaps in 5 years' time, something like that. If you, yeah.
Ya itu tadi artinya kan pertama kita mau fokus misalnya ke Western kan itu tadi misalnya Jerman itu maunya apa kan mereka kan hanya tahu kan kalau orang Eropa itu kan Bali kan backpacker juga kan paling anak-anak yang start itu kan anak-anak misalnya remaja itu kan ke Lombok gitu kan. Nah cuma bisa nggak nih kita manfaatin manfaatnya kayak gini, artinya mungkin Bali oke, dia ke sana tapi setelah Bali mungkin Palembang. Nah caranya apa ya? Ya promosikan dong Palembang itu. Contohnya kan di Belanda kan ada fair, ada pasar untuk promosi setahun sekali kan untuk persiapan mereka untuk liburan kan. Nah udah kita pameran lah di sana, kita pergi ke apa Belanda pameran biar target pasar orang Eropa itu memang dapat. Artinya itu yang dibicarakan tadi kan, artinya memang brosurnya kontennya menarik, artinya mereka cari informasi Palembang dengan klik aja digital marketingnya jalan. Nah ini harus kita benahi dulu. Ini Badan Promosi Pariwisata Kota Palembang akan terus step by step.
And online marketing is also just hard work. I mean, if you would look in Holland, for instance, and you would look for travel agents or tour operators who offer packages for Indonesia, you probably will come up to 100 names, 100 companies, and you have to try to establish contact with them. So you individually write emails to the head of this travel agencies and that travel agent, and then you try to communicate and explain them. Okay, did you ever think about Palembang and what we can actually offer? And that is time consuming, and you need quality as well. You need good persons to do that, but that's also online marketing. It's just hard work.
Ya. Kamu bisa.
Jadi ya dalam arti kata ya memang ini kerjaan susah ya, kerjaan susah ya, harus step-stepnya itu ya harus kita jalankan kan. Namanya online marketing kan ini juga nggak mungkin satu kali kita pertemuan kan, kita harus adakan workshop lagi. Artinya kan pentahalik seluruhan juga harus hadir, bukan pariwisata saja kan, artinya untuk kita mempromosikan ini nanti.
Pak, kata Mister tadi kira-kira diprediksi bakal Palembang siap untuk nampung turis ke Palembang ini dalam waktuan 5-6 tahun katanya tadi Pak ya, prediksinya.
You said 5 or 6 years we will be ready.
I think so. If you are, if the destinations are upgraded, so it depends on quite some improvements, of course, and the first visitors won't be. You won't get the families yet. You will get the more adventurous kind of visitors first, and you need them as a reference because they will put nice reviews in there. So they will go to they don't like Bali. They don't like Bali. It's too crowded. It's only beaches. They want to feel more authentic, and they want to have an authentic feeling, and they want to enjoy the Sumatra backland and the nice sceneries and the rice fields and the waterfalls and the mountains, and so those are the first things you probably will see if you attract European visitors.
Jadi kayak gini, dalam arti kata memang ada triknya untuk wisatawan Eropa. Makanya kalau kita mau fokus, kita bilang kan 5-6 tahun. Ini kan prosesnya apa? Yang akan datang ke Palembang ini kan backpacker dulu, fair, yang adventure dulu kan, anak-anak remaja kan. Nah dari mereka backpacker si remaja ini, dia akan cerita di sosial media mereka di mana. Setelah itu menarik family. Oh family baru kan, mungkin bapaknya nanya, kemana itu kamu ke? Oh Palembang bagus. Nah baru kita dapat yang real wisatawan mancanegara tadi, keluarga yang datang. Setelah apa? Nah untuk keluarga yang datang ini, ya tentunya kita infrastruktur apapun kita siap dulu. Nah kalau sekarang kita nggak ada masalah, hygiene sanitasi yang nggak siap ya nggak ada masalah. Tapi yang datang juga ya harap maklum, ya datangnya ya si backpacker. Yang datangnya itu adventure aja dia kan, ya mungkin cuma only one day maybe and then gone. But yeah, we need time.
This before you will get
From the visitor, and then we will they will promote.
Yes, they will be an ambassador. Yeah.
Itulah perwakilan kita, dutanya untuk mempromosikan tempat destinasi wisata, artinya ya Palembang artinya kan. Si inilah yang adventure. Ya kalau kita dapat target marketnya adventure, ya adventure ini kan bukan dia ini tapi adventure itu dia mau tidur di rumah orang. Artinya apa, homestay kan laku nanti kan, homestay kita kan. Dia mau makan masakan orang kampung. Nah, hidup lagi kan restoran-restoran kita yang ini ya. Nah, mesti kita fokus ke sana dulu untuk nge-grab, untuk mengambil dari pasar adventure-nya tadi. Tapi jangan salah, adventure ini nanti yang mempromosikan tentang destinasi kita. Nah, coba kita mikirnya kayak gini dulu. Awalnya dulu, jangan sampai kita ini selalu mikirnya kan ngambil yang pasarnya yang harus
besar,
apa yang keluarga, enggak, mereka beda gitu kan. Coba bawalah kerana kemana kan, misalnya ke daerah Baca Selengkapnya, apa udah ada hotel yang untuk cukup untuk ya orang kaya yang mau menginap minta hotel bintang 5 kan belum ada kita.